Hi everybody, this is Luca Vandermeer speaking. So my project was on golf tourism sustainability. So to begin with, that's not really a true definition, so I actually had to split it into two different subcategories. So to start, if you needed, golf tourism is on the top left, sustainability is right underneath it. So my project was focused on how golf tourism sustainability impacts the environment and communities in the local area and how it is positively and negatively impacted. So to begin my hypothesis, golf tourism sustainability, course development, and maintenance practices will positively influence environmental changes. So as we know, everybody thinks of water, very valuable, very used. However, we are now using reclaimed water, or dirty water as it's commonly known, as well as new infrastructure and ways to use runoff water and excess rainwater in new ways to make sure that we're being more sustainable. And then for my second hypothesis, golf tourism sustainability positively influences the local businesses and communities in the surrounding areas. So as we all know, the game of golf is growing continuously, especially after 2016 when the Olympics introduced it as an official sport. So now we've seen a spike in participation both on the men and women's side, which is amazing. And so in turn, we're going to have more golf tournaments, more junior golf, so that's going to impact local businesses and communities in a positive way. Next, I wanted to talk about the theory that I used. So I used the triple bottom line theory with the corporate social responsibility model, which is in the middle center here. So it covers social, economic, and environmental, which I felt fit well with my hypothesis and what I was trying to accomplish with this project. And that's where I got my research model, was based off of that. Then looking into my actual research method, I wanted to have 422 participants based off of what Lab 4 had taught us. And then I wanted to conduct it during Las Vegas's March Madness when we have a lot of tourists coming in, and I feel like we would get a lot of responses. And then my ideal population would be 18 to 75 years old, and it'd be golfers, golf employees, and community members. And they'd be compensated by getting a logoed poker chip from the golf course that they fill it out at as a keepsake. And then internal and external threats that I see for this is if employees are doing this at the golf course, then they're going to have social desirability bias because they have their employer right next to them or a coworker. And then an external threat is that because it's a male-dominated sport, females are going to be under or misrepresented in the study, so we'd have to pay attention to that. But for future studies, I'm trying to accomplish more sustainable practices at golf courses, so thank you for listening.